In this video we are going to see prime number program. So what are the prime numbers we have? Like we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, so on, right? So what is the logic for this? Every prime number, when you see, it will have only two factors, right? One is divisible with 1 and another one for itself, right? So factors of prime numbers is only 2. So this is the logic. Now how we need to check this means, like I will give a hint, like from 1 to, so let us take the number 7, let it be 7, right? So from 1 to 7 we need to continually divide, right? We need to continually make the division and we need to check for the remainder, then we will get the logic. So that thing I will show in the programming section. From 1 to 7 we need to get right. So from 1 to 7 we need to get right. So that logic we will get by using the one loop, right? So let us take the while for loop. So for loop from int I equals to 1 to I less than, like let us go with the 7 only. So first let us remove this thing and let us go with the 7, let it be. So let us hide this thing also. Now here when I less than or equals to 7 we need to run this loop. So I plus plus. So now insert this for, here I am placing one condition, like if when the 7 is divisible by the I, when it's leave the remainder 0, then it is like a factor count, right? So let us take the one count variable, count, let it be, first it is the count, let it be a 0 initially, and when it is completely divisible by 0, like when it is completely divisible by I and leaving the remainder 0, then we need to increase the count. Okay, now here f the count equals to 2. So how we will get the prime number? When the factors, like factors count, like here I will give f count. Okay, when factor counts, when it reaches to 2, exactly equals to 2, then it is like the indication it is a prime number, right? So here I am editing this, so it is like indication like it is a prime number. Otherwise else the indication is it is a not a prime number. Okay, so now when I run this program we need to get the output as prime number. So we have missed something, so we not ended with the semicolon, right? So that is the error we got. Now when I run this, see again it is showing one error. So we have changed the count to f count, right? So where this, so when f count, like factor count equals to 2, it is like a prime number indication. So see here we got the prime number. Now let us make it to the user friendly, like user can give the inputs from the output screen, like we need to go for the next int method, right? So now when I run the program, here in the output screen it is asking like enter the number. So once let us give the non-prime number, like 12 is a non-prime number, like the number of factors count is not equals to 2. Okay, here we have somewhere missing, so here we need to change to 12, right? Sorry, 12 not, we need to change to n. Here also we need to change to n. So this is a mistake we done. Now when I run this, I can do the same, I can give the same number 12. When I press enter, see here it is not a prime number. Again let us go for one another value, let it be 17. 17, when I press enter, say 17 is a prime number. So we can give the factor count also, like fact count, here also f count. Now when I press enter, when I run this program, here it will print along with the f count. So now when I give the 31, so 31 will have only two factors, right? Like one, it is divisible by with respect to 1, and another factor is with respect to itself only. So that is the two factors only we have only for 31. Again let us check for one other value. Now let it be 15. So now when I given 15 and when I press enter, so 15 it will have 4 like factors, so that's why it is not a prime.